Yeah, what's up guys, Oliver VR, back again with a new video. I was gonna do a video with Creeper, but I don't know where he went. He said he was a bit sick.
Ah!
Oh, Creeper? The hell
I'm
happened
not
to you?
sick.
Creeper, what happened to you? Why is your skin different?
Because I changed my skin. Guys, I changed my skin. It's no longer a kitty. It's now a goat.
Cause he's the goat.
Yes, sir.
Slap on a knee.
And
Yee-hee. Alright guys, so today, Creeper said we're making a robot.
Yes, but not me using a cardboard box. I know another strategy.
Oh no.
Get some goop.
No.
Get some goop.
No. Alright, I'm gonna get 4 pieces of goop because I'm gonna do something. Well, 3. Because I gotta do something. I gotta do it. It's for science only, guys. I'm gonna do something that will change my bloody.
No, you gotta put it on top like this. You have to put it like this.
No, I was doing something else. Just get that guy. Get 2 of these. The guy's okay. Actually, just gonna get a piece of goo. So it's a goo. I said a piece of goop.
Oh God, I can't put this stuff.
The hell? The hell's wrong with the thing? The hell? Whoa! Bruh. No, why is Bruce like that?
Oh no, he's coming for you. He's coming for you.
Bro, what?
Nah, wait, just a second,
Just give me a sec. I'm gonna do something hilarious. Probably make me the most hated YouTuber in all the world.
Don't become the most hated YouTuber. Everyone sub to Oliver VR right now, bro.
Nah, I'm probably... Bro, I'm about to get bloody destroyed in the comments. Cause how weird I'm about to go. I'm about to go to where no gorilla in animal company has gone. I am going sicko mode. I am putting a robot. You probably get it now, don't you? You know. Guys, if you know, you know.
Bro. Come here, let me test this on you.
Creeper, don't mind my rocket.
Oh no.
It's Big D Randy.
Big BB Randy.
It's Big BB Randy.
It's Big
He's
BB
coming
Randy.
for you tonight.
He's Big BB Randy.
Oh no. He almost went flying. Because how big his ding dong is. Bruh. No. Bruh. 99 nights in the bloody forest. More like 99 nights in bloody prison. Oh no, he's coming for you. Creeper, watch out. Creeper, he's coming.
That didn't even hit me.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
He's coming for you. Oh no, I ripped one of his balls off. Bro, got a big
one
on.
of
Wait a minute. Bro. Is it kaboom?
You broke his dang thing. You broke his ding.
Oh no. My bloody stinking thing. No, it's flying. What the hell? Bruh.
It's big. No.
Bruh.
What blood?
Bro, my thing. I can't even like it. Bruh. Now look at this. Drink one barrel. So what is this creation you're making?
This is called the battle droid. It's nice.
Bruh, that thing looks